Hey there! Today we are going to talk about how you can import tickets inside HubSpot. It's almost like other data types, but still, is there some twist to it? Let's see. So guys, in order to import tickets inside HubSpot, firstly click on Service, then click on Tickets. Here, click on Import button which is present on the right. Once you click on Import, click on Start and Import. And then click on Import File from Computer. Then click on Next. After that, click on One File. You can also do multiple files with associations, and that's a complex topic and we will save it for another day. So when you click on one file, click on Next. Click on one object. Click on Next. So we are trying to import our tickets. Click on Tickets. Click on Next. Choose a file, go to the section where you have your file, choose the file, click on Open, and then you can choose how to import your tickets. You can click on Create and Update Tickets. You can either create new tickets only or you can update existing tickets only. Apart from that, you can also do same object associations, wherein ticket to ticket associations would be created with this import. You can click on this one. You can also select the language of the column headers in your file from here. Ours is English, so that's good. Then click on Next. So once you have selected all of the required properties, just click on Next, and then finally click on Finish Import. When you have given an import name, your import will be processed and they will send you an email when the import is finished. And when the import is ready, click on the button to view. So here we can view that tickets.csv has been imported here. And we can see that the import has been completed with no errors, and there are 5 rows, 5 new records, and all of that stuff. So guys, this is how you can import tickets inside HubSpot. I believe that this was very easy to follow. In case you are still running into any issues, feel free to comment down below, and you can reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And we at CT9 are always behind our screens ready to help you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.